This is perhaps the easiest, but at the same time, the most difficult way to analyze the market. The application of human properties to the market. 5 things that stick for us: 2 legs, 2 arms, and 1 head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Impulse, correction, impulse, correction, impulse. This is Elliott Waves. Hello everyone and welcome again into my place where with each new video I try to bring you one step closer to successful trading and to keep you profitable. My name is Ivaylo and this is Elite Trading Zone. When I started trading a few years ago, the only thing I used to do my technical analysis was Elliott Waves. I didn't pay attention to either supports, resistance, trend line, volume profiles, footprint, and all other methods. For me, there were 2 types of technical analysis: Elliott Waves and everything else. Today, I will introduce you to the topic, and if anyone wants to specialize in Elliott Waves, I will leave a link down. You will be able to download the book, which is considered perhaps the Bible in this field, absolutely free. People who trade in this pattern are called waivers. I used to be like that, but after so long, I don't even need to draw them on the chart to recognize them. Let's continue because we have only 5 minutes. As you are already in TradingView, go to the left to patterns and find Elliott Waves. Now you have to add to the favorite Elliott impulsive wave and Elliott correction wave. And besides these 2 types, there are also 3: Elliott triangle, Elliott double combo, or triple combo. But we will only use the first 2. Okay guys, on the chart you see an example for impulsive wave, which consists of 5 subwaves. Here are 3 cardinal rules you should follow. First rule: wave 3 can never be the shortest wave. The second rule: wave 2 can never be beyond the start of wave 1. And third, wave 4 can never cross into the same price area as wave 1. With that being said, we are on April 1 hour. Obviously, wave 3 is the longest, so one of the rules is satisfied. The wave 2 does not go below the start of wave 1. Wave 4 does not touch the top of the wave 1. We have a complete Elliott wave cycle. After this whole complete Elliott wave cycle, the price starts going down. Okay guys, having gone through the impulsive waves, I think it's time to see the corrective ones. I'm not going to lie to you guys, they are so many that they will give you a headache. If you want to find out all, download the free book, which I have left in the description below. All corrective waves are based on one thing, and that is that they are consist of only 3 waves. All in all, 5 up and 3 down. This is a simple correction. It consists of 3 waves, and the second wave, that is B, should not be very close to the beginning of A. This is so-called zigzag, and this is a quick example on GBP USD simple zigzag correction. Wave A, then wave B and C. After the correction is completed, the price continues its uptrend. The second type of correction is a simple flat. This is generally a range as the price bounces off of the last top, the beginning of corrective wave A. A simple Elliott wave flat correction is basically a range. This is an example on simple flat correction GBP again USD. So the A, B, C simple flat correction, B comes to the start of A and then C comes to the end of A, and the price after this flat correction continues its uptrend. The last correction is triangle. This whole triangle is consolidation, or to put it in simple terms, sideways. Usually a corrective triangle wave is an indication of a recent trend change. And now one example of the last time: impulse to the downside, then a correction, triangle correction, another impulse to the downside, impulse to the upside. I think that after this zigzag correction A, B, C, we will hit the targets $2,500. This could be the start of the new bull run in gold. Why I think so? Because, as I said earlier, triangle is an indication of a recent trend change. Impulse and corrective waves can be both up and down. Let me show you some examples. If you want to get more useful knowledge, just click this video. If you guys enjoyed this video and you like the way I teach, make sure to subscribe to the channel, this crystal ball right here. Smash the like button. Thank you all for watching the video until the end. Till the next time.